Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, this is my first video in YouTube channel. This is my first review about the hardware of my PC building. First of all, we're gonna talk about the motherboard. The motherboard Z270H Strix Gaming from Asus company has a big features, especially in design or something else. So this Z270H Strix Gaming coming with LGA 1175 socket, support the i3, i5 till the i7, and the RAM we're gonna talking about 64 gigabyte support, so you can upgrade it in the future. Secondly, the processor. We are talking about the i7 7th generation, 3.4 GHz as a frequency. The third one is the hard disk drive and the DVD burner. The hard disk drive coming with 1 TB as memory. And about the graphic card, we're talking about the GTX 1050 Ti. It coming with 4 GB VRAM. We cannot tell you that this graphic card give you the highest performances, but it's middle in the performances. Finally, RAM DDR4 GB, 8 GB, 2400 MHz as a frequency.
I feel it right at the heart of me, and it grips me physically, dragging down so far below, and it's a violent vertigo, digging it in like a parasite, feeding off what I keep inside, manifest when I'm throwing trust to the cold and the nebulous. Something's changing, rearranging, may just beginning my own surgery. Something's changing, rearranging.